Baguio Beach. Ha? Sino yun, Mark? Sa Baguio Beach. Ito ang ano ba?
Bay, parang bay.
Walang barko. Kasi parang may meron ba?
Sa dali mo lang laan, dali ka nagkamot.
Yan, Luso.
Oh my God, look at the view! It's so spectacular! Oh my gosh! We are in the Switzerland right now. In the... What's the name of this place?
Lugano.
Lugano. We're in Lugano. Yeah, Switzerland. Oh, look. There's our yacht. It's coming. Oh my gosh. So... Oh, okay, okay. Oh, look. See, it's so beautiful. They don't have much people right now because today it's Thursday, May 16. It's my birthday officially, and they don't have much people here, which is good. Yeah. See, you see the Switzerland.